Healthy soils are the foundation for a healthy planet. They provide us with food, clean water, regulate climate, and support a vast array of life. But soil health is under the threat from pollution, erosion, and overuse. The Global Soil Partnership is a critical initiative working to combat these threats. The GSP is a voluntary alliance established by the Food and Agricultural Organization in 2012. It brings together a diverse range of stakeholders, including governments, international organizations, NGOs, scientists, and farmers. This unique collaboration allows the GSP to address soil health from multiple angles, fostering knowledge sharing, policy development, and on the ground action. The GSP's work is multifaceted and focus on raising awareness, building capacity, and promoting sustainable practices. Here are some of its key achievements. The GSP established the Intergovernmental Technical Panel on Soils. This panel acts as a global hub for soil science expertise. ITPS brings together leading soil scientists from around the world to share knowledge, develop best practices for soil management, and identify critical research needs. The GSP successfully lobbied for the UN World Soil Day, celebrated annually on December 5th. This global event raises public awareness about the importance of healthy soils and the threats they face. It also serves as a platform for promoting sustainable soil management practices around the world. In addition, the GSP played a key role in the declaration of 2015 as the International Year of Soils, further focusing international attention on this critical issue. The GSP's report, Status of the World's Soils Resources 2015, provides a comprehensive assessment of the state of our soils. This report is a valuable tool for policymakers, scientists, and farmers. The data collected by GSP informs national and international soil health policies and helps to identify areas where intervention is most needed. The 12th Plenary Assembly of the GSP highlighted the urgent need to improve soil health. Despite the progress made, soil degradation remains a serious threat. Soil erosion, nutrition depletion, salinization, and pollution are all contributing to decline in soil quality. This not only impacts food security but also disrupts essential ecosystem services such as water filtration and carbon sequestration. By promoting sustainable practices like composting, cover cropping, and reduced tillage, the GSP is helping to reverse this trend. The organization also fosters international cooperation, encouraging countries to share knowledge and develop solutions tailored to their specific challenges. Actions that a person can do to support soil health even in their own backyard. Composting food scraps and yard waste reduces landfill waste and creates nutrient rich compost that can be used to improve soil fertility. Planting cover crops helps to protect soil from erosion and improves soil structure. Reducing the use of pesticides and herbicides protects soil health, and it also promotes beneficial organisms like earthworms. By taking these actions, we can all help to ensure that our soil remains healthy and productive, safeguarding our food security and the well being of the planet for future generations.